If you're planning to start a business in Nevada, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Nevada even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose Nevada for your LLC? Now, Nevada is one of the most popular states to form an LLC, and for a good reason. It offers a business-friendly environment that helps entrepreneurs save money, protect assets, and get started very quickly. So if you're looking for tax savings, privacy, protection, and speed, Nevada is a smart choice for forming your LLC. After that is choosing a name for your Nevada LLC. You want to make sure that your LLC name must be unique in Nevada, including Limited Liability Company, LLC or L.L.C. and avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, because these require special approval from relevant state agencies. Now, if you have a desired business name in mind, all you have to do is very simple. Go to Nevada Secretary of State Business Search. Type in your desired name. Now, if no exact match appears, the name is available and good to go, and you can reserve that name for 90 days for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Nevada requires every LLC to have a registered agent. Now, the registered agent receives all the legal documents and accepts all the official state notices. They must have a physical address in Nevada and must be available during normal business hours. Now, you can be an agent yourself provided that you meet all the state legal requirements but what we highly suggest is to hire a professional registered agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video. Okay, so the official step that creates your LLC is filing the Articles of Organization. This is a foundational step to form your LLC. Now, you have two ways to do it. One option is by mail, which is kind of like the slowest option, and the fastest option is filing it online. All I have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the Nevada Secretary of State, provide the LLC name, registered agent details, management structure, if it's going to be like member manage or manager manage. Now, filing through online gives you the fee of $75, and after that is the next step, creating an operating agreement. Now, let me tell you that Nevada doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended because it outlines the ownership percentage, management roles, profit distribution, rules for disputes or exits, and of course it keeps this for internal records. You don't file it with the state. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your Nevada LLC is formed, the next step is getting properly licensed and set up for taxes. Now, every LLC operating in Nevada must obtain a Nevada State Business License. This is required statewide and comes with an annual renewal fee of $200. And of course, you need to file an initial list of managers or members within the Nevada Secretary of State. This filing lets the state know who manages or owns the LLC, and including a $150 filing fee. That step is mandatory and should be completed right after forming your LLC. And after that, you just have to check for local licenses and permits depending on your business type and where you're located. Your city or county may require additional permits or registrations before you can legally operate. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Nevada. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. Just enter your desired business name. And if you want to skip all these, click the next button. Of course, we need to select the state, and we're gonna choose Nevada. Now, if you want to provide your business email address or phone number, you can do so. You can also skip it. It's time to choose the industry. So in our case, that's gonna be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're gonna click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button. And you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Nevada, which is an excellent choice for many entrepreneurs thanks to its business-friendly environment, no state income tax, strong asset protection, and enhanced privacy for owners. It's especially attractive for online business, holding companies, and entrepreneurs who value flexibility and protection. With that said, if you are operating a physical business in another state, you may still need to register as a foreign LLC, which can add extra costs. So always choose the state that best aligns with where you actually do business. But overall, we believe that Nevada remains a top-tier option for forming an LLC when used strategically. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step business tutorials, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future videos on LLC formation, taxes, and online tools for entrepreneurs. If you have any questions about Nevada LLC fees, registered agents, or annual requirements, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.